Hi all, I'm Loendi and today I'm showing you my office setup in my new apartment. I have my office set up in such a way that everything is easy to use and interchangeable. I can do my video and edit it immediately as I have two computers available. I have a desktop and a high-performance laptop next to me. I use a Boya MM1 microphone with a windshield. I'm using mostly natural light as I have a big opening to the balcony. Additionally, if the weather is bad or it's dark, I use a 30-watt LED floodlight for indirect lighting. I need to play with it, of course, for the best effect. As a camera, I use my camera of the Samsung Note 8, currently in my hand doing this video for you. That's it. Let's hope for the best.